Amaphoyisa asethole izidakamizwa zohlobo lwe-crystal meth zenani elilinganiselwa cishe kuyigidi ey'ntathu zamarandi nalapho kuboshwe khona-ke indoda eneminyaka engama-35 ubudala ngenkathi kuqhubeka umkhankaso womshoshaphansi eDiepsloot ngempelasonto. Lo mkhankaso ubuhlanganisa amaphoyisa ophiko lwezobunhloli, i-Tactical Response Team yase-West Rand kanye ne-K9 Unit yakhona e-West Rand ubulandela-ke ukulunywa indlebe mayelana ney'nsolo zokudayiswa kwey'dakamizwa kule ndawo. Amaphoyisa afike aphenya maqede-ke ayithela phezu kwey'dakamizwa ezinesisindo esingamakhilo ayishumi sifakwe-ke kuplastiki wokuqoqa imfucuza ngaphansi kamatrasi. Amaphoyisa athi-ke uphenyo lusaqhubeka kanti kusengenzeka kube khona abanye abakhalelwa ngamasongo kasigonyela.
The efforts of the police in Gauteng to remove drugs from the streets continue to produce positive results. This is after an intelligence-driven operation conducted on the 31st of May 2026 by Counter Narcotics Crime Intelligence, Western Tactical Response Team and Western K9 Unit led to the arrest of one suspect and recovery of crystal meth drugs. The team operationalized information about two men dealing in drugs at Diepsloot. The place was identified and upon searching the premises, the team found a black refuse bag hidden under a mattress containing suspected crystal meth drugs weighing about 10 kilograms with an estimated street value of approximately 3 million rands. The 35-year-old man found on the scene was arrested for possession of drugs. The suspect is expected to appear before Randburg Magistrates Court on the 1st of June 2026. The Provincial Commissioner of the Police in Gauteng, Lieutenant General Tommy Mtombeni, has welcomed the arrest and applauded the team for their dedication in ridding the communities of drugs. He further assured the communities of Gauteng that the police remain committed in removing drugs from the streets and they will hold those responsible accountable.